Hello everyone. Our emotions have a direct connection to our body that lets them have a big impact not only on our mental but also on our bodily state. So, with the right knowledge, it's possible to see how powerful our emotions are and how they can help you to manage your state of mind and keep your body healthy. Have you ever wondered what you can do to your view of life and to the state of your body with the help of the emotions that many people try to hide? That's amazing. If we consider our feelings when they bother us, we can not only help ourselves but also bring harmony to our mental and physical state. So be prepared because we are glad to share with you the keys to a healthy and happy life. And yes, don't miss a bonus at end because everyone loves bonus. You understand what I say? So let's start. But before everything, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn those notifications on. Please like this video. Number 1. Love. That many people want in our life but they don't have, like me. Okay, let's be serious. When in love, you may notice a racing heartbeat and our hands getting sweeter. It is caused by the stimulation of adrenaline and norepinephrine, says Kat Van Kirk, a clinical sexologist and licensed marriage and family therapist. At the same time, oxytocin, the love hormone, makes you feel happy, confident, and fades your pain as the painkiller areas of the brain are being activated and your heart becomes healthier. It is said that married people live longer than singles. So yes, we shouldn't be single anymore. Number 2. Anger and anxiety. Anger is associated with resentment, irritability, and rage. It can bring you anything from a headache and insomnia to digestion problems, skin problems, a heart attack, or even a stroke. What's more, if you are a worrier, anger can make it even worse by strengthening the symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder. So as not to let your anger win, step back for a moment, realize why you are angry, and talk to people about what's on your mind. Find a solution to the problem and let go of healthy thought patterns. Number 3. Depression. This is the serious issue. Depression is a brain disorder that can lead to emotional anguish. This state increases your risk of a number of illness and makes your immune system weak. It also causes insomnia because of its inability to get comfortable or lots of trouble thoughts. Depression and exposure to stress lead to a risk of heart attack. A depressed person can also have trouble with their memory or making decisions. Number 4. Fear. When we are frightened, the blood literally drains from our face, making us pale. This happens thanks to the autonomic nervous system, the fight or flight control system. When we face a trigger, blood vessels pinch off the flow to our face and extremities, sending more blood to our muscles and body so we'll be ready for either the flight or the fight. Number 5. Disgust. Feeling disgust for something or even worse, someone is one of the most difficult emotions for anybody to control. Unlike other emotions like fear and anger, which makes your heartbeat speed up, disgust make your heartbeat slow down a bit. You can also feel nausea or as if something is wrong with your stomach. This happens because the antipathy produced by disgust has a lot of the same psychological elements that make up the digestive system. To avoid this, take a deep breath, realize that it's just your emotion trying to control your thinking, and do the opposite of what you're feeling. Instead of making fun of someone or something, be kind toward them. Number 6. Shame. We all feel ashamed once in our life, and because of that many people lost their confidence. So in case of healthy shame, a person doesn't lose their self-esteem and free will. Unhealthy shame usually comes from the past, and in this sense, toxic shame becomes a person's part and a kind of stress for them. This causes problems such as overproduction of cortisol, the primary stress hormone, and this can lead to an increased heart rate and constricted arteries. To overcome shame, stop comparing yourself to others. Listen, to overcome shame, stop comparing yourself to others. Learn to be confident and unafraid of what people say or think. Let them do what they do, and remember that it's only you who knows the truth. Challenge yourself, win the battle, and love yourself. Number 7. Pride and contempt. Unreasonable pride comes from the negative thoughts about other people together with the feeling that there's no one better than you. This connection can make you stressed, which leads to heartburn, stomachache, high blood pressure, etc. etc. There's a saying that goes like, Pride goes before a fall shows that being proud can lead to a consequence that results in ignoring potential risks. If it's hard for you to say, I am sorry, try these tips. Stop being a perfectionist and consider your fails as a chance for a better try. Be more empathetic and try to understand others' feelings. Accept people as they are, write down your apologies, and don't take embarrassment too seriously because this is the main thing that prevents us from our freedom. Number 8. Jealousy. Some people find jealousy to be sweet, but only when it's not too much. Normal jealousy is what a person feels when they are worried or they fear losing a loved one. Unhealthy jealousy can destroy hearts, relationships, and families. The stress of jealousy quickens the heart rate and raises the blood pressure. You can also have other symptoms that negative emotion bring: poor appetite, significant weight loss or gain, insomnia, stomach problems, and so on. There are so many. First, just start to believe your partner, however trite it sounds. Stop comparing yourself to others and don't confuse make believe with reality. These are the most effective tips for overcoming jealousy in relationships. Number 9. Happiness. Aristotle said, happiness is the meaning and the purpose of life, the whole aim and the end of human existence. Happiness and good health go hand in hand, making our hearts healthier, our immune systems stronger, and our lives longer. It also helps us to overcome stress. According to a study published in 2015, positive well-being was found to have a beneficial effect on survival, reducing the risk of death by 18% in healthy people and by 2% in those with pre-existing disease. Start increasing your happiness right now by having someone you care about. Dress to impress not only others but yourself. And don't forget to smile. Always smile. Also, don't forget to be active, spend time outside, have a good night rest, and meditate. Now is the time for the bonus. Have you ever wondered how exercising can affect your emotional state? Here's the answer. Many studies show that people who exercise regularly get a positive boost to their mood and experience lower rates of depression. The point is that when you exercise, your body releases chemicals called endorphins. These endorphins intersect with the receptors in your brain and reduce your perception of pain. When it comes to our emotions, endorphins play a big role. They are produced as a response to certain triggers, especially stress, fear or pain, and are connected mainly with receptors in the cells of our body found in regions of the brain responsible for blocking pain and controlling emotions. The majority of your emotions are handled by your brain's limbic system, which includes the hypothalamus, the region that processes a range of functions, from breathing to hunger and emotional reaction. There are also opioid receptors in the limbic system. When endorphins reach them, you experience pleasure and a sense of satisfaction.